Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Impressionistic garden pergola, light teal wooden pergola with intricate detailing, hanging terracotta flower pots with vibrant orange and yellow flowers, lush greenery, terracotta planters, stone path with fallen leaves, soft sunlight filtering through trees, gentle bokeh effect, peaceful garden setting, detailed perspective, outdoor space, morning or late afternoon light, warm color palette, clear focus on flowers and pergola, shallow depth of field, balanced composition, garden. Design elements, detailed foliage. Impressionistic garden pergola, wooden pergola with a light gray weathered wood finish, lush greenery and flowering vines, roses, petunias, and other flowers, hanging baskets of flowers, soft warm light of golden hour setting sun, comfy light beige/pink upholstered outdoor patio sectional sofa set, gray outdoor coffee table, potted flowers in shades of pink, violet, and gray, stone patio floor, trees, bushes and other plants in the background, depth of field, sunlight filtering through the pergola, detailed textures, outdoor space, peaceful, tranquil scene. Outdoor pergola, cozy seating area, rustic wooden pergola with string lights, dark gray sectional sofa set, fire pit with flames, stone patio, overgrown greenery, warm lighting, impressionistic, depth of field, evening scene, soft focus, plants, flowers, terracotta pots, detailed wood texture, realistic lighting, calm atmosphere, garden setting, wooden beams, ivy, muted colors, vintage feel, natural stone patio, warm orange firelight. Modern outdoor patio, contemporary home, concrete pergola with dark metal beams and slatted lighting, warm neutral color palette, gray concrete flooring and walls, dark gray furniture, outdoor lighting highlighting the space, comfortable seating area with sectional sofa and chairs, fire pit in the center, lush greenery surrounding the patio, trees and foliage, hyper-realistic, detailed, high-quality, architecture, design, patio design, impressive, interior design elements visible. Through the open pergola structure, natural light, warm evening light, detailed plants, stone pathways, calm atmosphere, mid-century modern influences. Outdoor pergola, modern patio design, black metal pergola with slatted roof, gray stone patio, warm beige interior of a house with kitchen and living area visible through pergola, outdoor seating area with gray sofas, dining table and chairs, lush greenery and trees surrounding patio, natural lighting from house and artificial lighting within pergola, organic shapes, wooden dining table, mid-toned colors, warm lighting, soft focused areas on stone patio, shadowy areas beneath. Pergola, tropical or subtropical climate, focus on outdoor living space, architectural details of the pergola and house materials visible, layered garden beds, low angle view. Outdoor pergola, wooden pergola with rustic beams, large stone patio with gravel and rocks, landscaping with various plants, flowers, and shrubs, a stone fireplace and grill, muted greens and browns, soft overcast lighting, impressionistic, depth of field, detailed textures of wood, stone, and plants, garden setting, focus on the pergola and surrounding area, dark brown pergola beams and supports, gray/beige stonework. Flowers like tulips and orange/yellow/red blossoms, dark gray/black. Pot with flowers, trees in the background, gentle rain or mist, tranquil atmosphere, detailed shadows, natural light. Hyper-realistic, outdoor patio, modern concrete building, lush green plants and vines, beige and gray color palette, awning, light tan/beige furniture, sectional sofa, armchairs, poofs, wooden coffee table, brownish wooden floors, dark gray metal accents, interior of building visible through windows, lighting fixtures visible, natural light, urban jungle aesthetic, high angle view, detailed textures, impressionistic lighting, depth of field, realistic plants, detailed concrete. Patio design. Outdoor patio, pergola with a metal frame, warm neutral colors, beige and tan wicker furniture, cream/off-white cushions and throws, terracotta and wood accents, low coffee table with beige/tan textiles, lush green plants and trees, brown brick/stone wall, modern design, overlooking urban scenic distance, natural light from a partly cloudy sky, detailed textures, high-quality photography style, impressionism, spacious open concept, cozy seating area, tropical/modern aesthetic, realism. Soft shadows, detailed plants, various heights of greenery. Outdoor pergola, dark gray metal frame, wooden slatted roof with subtle ripples, warm ambient lighting, light beige/gray sectional sofa with cushions, stone patio floor, Zen garden design, Japanese bonsai trees in pots, lush green foliage surrounding the pergola, stepping stones leading to the seating area, wooden wall panels in the pergola, plants hanging from the ceiling, slightly dappled sunlight filtering through the trees, calm atmosphere, Asian-inspired design, high detail, 3D. Model, natural light, precise rendering, impressionistic lighting, detailed textures, soft focus on the seating area. Exterior patio area, modern home, twilight, stone house facade, dark gray pergola with light brown wooden slats, comfortable taupe/gray outdoor furniture set, including lounge chairs and a coffee table, fire pit in the center, decorative planters with greenery, light gray patterned stone patio, pathways of light gray flagstone, lush green garden, trees and shrubs, warm ambient lighting, natural light, soft focus, meticulous detail, shadows, calm and relaxing atmosphere, high quality render. No harsh shadows, angled view, slightly obscured view of the home beyond the patio, accurate perspective, depth of field. Lush garden, outdoor patio, pergola with black beams and string lights, a seating area featuring light beige/off-white sofas and armchairs, wooden coffee table, dark gray/black decorative elements, stone walls, textured concrete planters, a water feature with a pond, decorative gravel pathway, tropical plants, warm lighting, dark/rich greens and browns, natural light. Impressionistic soft focus on the plants and garden, detailed shadows, mid-century modern aesthetic, black and white striped awning, wooden shelving and storage, organic shapes, calm and serene atmosphere, detailed textures of materials. Exterior garden pergola, evening light, wooden pergola with dark metal support beams, stone and gravel patio, fire pit with embers, dark gray seating with patterned cushions, lush green foliage, decorative stone/rock elements, multicolored mosaic wall, ambient lighting, Japanese garden aesthetic, calm, tranquil, detailed texture of wood, stone, and plants, rich browns, greens, and grays, soft warm lighting. Focus on the depth and atmosphere of the space, high detail, vignetting. Full shot.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.